Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine and doing well. This is your science teacher, and today we will start a very interesting chapter of biology, that is, body movements. Students, in this chapter, we will learn about the function and system of our body, which help us to move. But before that, let's see some important topics and subtopics which we are going to discuss in this chapter. पहला टॉपिक हम डिस्कस करेंगे बॉडी मूवमेंट्स के इंट्रोडक्शन के साथ। दूसरा टॉपिक है ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड इट्स मूवमेंट, इन विच वी विल सी हाउ आवर बॉडी मूव्स इन डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज। थर्ड टॉपिक इज जॉइंट्स, in which we will see what are joints in our body and what are different types of joints. Fourth topic is skeletal system, and last topic is how do muscles move the bones. So let's start with our first topic, that is introduction. Students, we move all different parts of our body while doing daily activities. These activities can be walking, running, sleeping, reading, writing, eating, playing, etc. Now, this is not only about human being. Animals and birds also move from one place to another place by jumping, crawling, creeping, etc. Now, students, look at this table. This table is also mentioned in your book. Now what we have to do, we have to find out the movement and which part of the body we move in that particular activities. For example, cow and human being. So the body part which is used to move, that is leg, and they have to move by walking. In the same way, snake move in a slithering way with its whole body. Birds move by flying its wing, and in the same way the other insects like earthworm and small insects, they move by whole body by crawling, or we can say slithery way, in a slithery way. So this was all about the movements of different organisms. What you have to do, you will have to note it down, this you will have to fill this table in your book. Next topic is ह्यूमन बॉडी एंड इट्स मूवमेंट। स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ ऐसी एक्टिविटीज़ होती हैं जिसमें हम बॉडी के सिर्फ कुछ पार्ट्स को ही मूव करते हैं, जैसे कि फ़ोन पर बात करना, रीडिंग करना। तो इन सब एक्टिविटीज़ में हम आइज़ और माउथ का ही यूज़ करते हैं। बट कुछ ऐसी भी एक्टिविटीज़ हैं जिनमें हम बॉडी पार्ट्स के मैक्सिमम मेजॉरिटी पार्ट्स को मूव करते हैं, जैसे कि रनिंग, प्लेइंग गेम, एक्सेट्रा. So this was the movement of our body. Now the question is, where can we move our body? So the answer is on joints. So in our next video, we will discuss what are joints and what are different types of joints.